9 times is
9 times. 1 sounds.
4. Next subtraction. Do subtraction. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. 8. Here 5. 5 means 15. 15 minus 6.
98.
98. 7 minus 7. 0. Here we get 98. And next is it bring down 0. It is 900.
980.
980. How many times? 196. It ends with 0. Ends with 0 means
5, ma'am.
5
Ma'am,
times.
5, ma'am. Into 196 into 5. 196 into 5.
196 into 5, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
196 into 5. See, multiplication 5 into 196 is difficult. So 196, write it as 10 by 2. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
2 nines are 18. Remaining 16. 16.
2 8s are
980.
980.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? It is 5 times. Do you understand?
196 into 196 is 0, ma'am.
3 times is 38,220. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Write in the form of A equal to B cube plus R. 38,220.
120 equal to 196 into
equal to
196 plus 0.
196 is our divisor into 195 plus 0. Here we get 0. Correct? Remainder is 0. So what is our HCF?
HCF is 195.
No, HCF. What is our HCF? Not 195. Divisor is our HCF.
196. 196, ma'am. Sorry.
96.
Do you understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next subdivision. Question.
Third sum. 867.
HCF of
all of you.
HCF of 8, 67 and
67 and 255.
255.
Say fastly, do fast.
What is our A? A is our 867.
65.
B equal to 255. Apply Euclid division algorithm.
Karthikeyan, everybody speak, Ray.
A is
Pranav.
equal to BQ plus R.
It means 867 divided with 255. How many times? See, it is round up to 250, correct? 250.
Yes, ma'am.
25 table.
Yes, ma'am.
25
And 2, sir.
50. It means 500.
25 3, sir.
25 3 750.
750.
25 4 is 1000. Correct? 4 is more than 865. So take 3 times 255 into 3.
3.
765.
3 is 50.
765, ma'am.
75. 75 plus 1, 76. Is it clear? 255 3 times is 765.
765.
This is 867. What is our reminder? Please respond. What is our reminder?
102. 102.
102. 102.
Is 2, 0, 1. 102 is our
102.
102.
67 equal to 255 into quotient is 3 plus 102.
Not equal to 0, ma'am.
R is not equal to 0. ma'am.
Or not equal to 0. It is 105. So again we apply Euclid division algorithm on
Remainder and divisor.
what is remainder? Remainder is 102.
Not 2.
Divisor is
102 and 255.
so 255 divided with which number? 102. How many times, Ram?
102.
It is like a 100. 100. 2 times 2 get 2 times, correct? 100.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, HCM is 51.
2 2s are 4. 0.
51. 51, ma'am.
Yeah, Kevin, your answer is correct. 151. So here 255 is equal to 102 into 2.
51 2s are 102, ma'am.
See here reminder not equal to 0. So again apply Euclid
I'm 51 2s are.
on which numbers? 51 and
51 on 102.
51 in 102. 51 2s are 102.
so 102 divided with 51. How many times? 50.
2 times.
2 times,
2
sir?
times.
It is exactly 2 times, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
102.
சொல்லிட்டீங்களா வர மாட்டீங்க
Understood. So 102 equal to
எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு அட்டாச் தான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவாங்க மச்சான் அவ்வளவா கலப்பட மாட்டாங்க
Padmavasini, focus here.
102 equal to 51 into 2 plus 0.
2 plus
Here r
R
equal
is
to
equal to
0.
0.
So what is our HCF? HCF of
51, ma'am. 51.
867 and 255 is, what is our answer? 2 or 2 and
50.
2 or 51?
51, ma'am. 51, ma'am.
51, not quotient. Always take only divisor. Divisor is our highest common factor. Do you understand this sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, one MCQ question is, what is the range of R? Range of R. Range of R.
What is the range of R? R should be less than B. Correct or not?
R in between 0 to B. Always greater than or equal to 0 and less than B. This is one MCQ question. Do you understand this one?
Have you understood or not this one, Ra? So always R value should be maybe equals to 0 or greater than 0.
More than 0, understand.
Less than B always. That's all.
In
So this is all about-
polynomials, degree of the R of X always less than the degree of G of X. In polynomials, we already discussed degree of R of X always less than or equal to degree of G of X. This is one MCQ question.
So, okay. So this is all about this one. So now please you can keep heading. For today's session, NTSC will continue from here. So do you understand Arvind, Akshaya, Nitinath, everyone?
Dilip and
Under
Yes.
Sarani
So
Pushpa.
all about this question. We'll continue here. Actually, Euclid division algorithm, definitely one question will come now. So you learn, you practice like maximum 1 or 2 more question will come. So you practice well definitely. And time consumption, fastly you should solve this. You are not supposed to spend much time on this. Understand, Ra? Okay. So let us come to the NTSC. NTSC, we will practice few questions and later we will end this session. Okay. So all of you please keep heading NTSC for today's class. So today we'll see how to find the wrong numbers in a given pattern. Is it okay? Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
All of you please write. The first question is, all of you should write. All of you write the first question. $25.62. All of you write. $25.62. First question. 25 comma 62 comma 122 122, 214, 122, 214, 122, 214, comma, 314. No, sorry, 341. 341. So this is what the question number 1. So now what you have to do means you have to find the odd one out from this. So let me see who will do fastly. Odd one out. Find the wrong number or letters. If I'll give the alphabet series letters, if I have given numbers, you have to find the wrong number. So what is the wrong number in the given one? Please all of you start doing and find it. Let me see. Find the wrong number. Find the wrong number in the given series. Any idea? Anybody, please?
341.
Wrong.
341, sir.
No. What is your explanation?
25. 25. 25, sir. Sir,
122.
How can you
25.
can you able to say please?
So 122.
What? Now
122, sir.
122
Sir,
wrong.
122, sir. 122.
Wrong.
Sir, 25.
25. So how 25 can you able to say? So let us.
3
So now observe very
minus 2.
carefully here.
4 cube minus 2.
Yeah. Observe. So this one 25. How I can write?
5 square.
5 square. Correct? Ra? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And you may observe here 62 is the power of nearest square is how much? Ra? Is 64. It is the cube of what?
4
8 square.
4 cube.
Correct or not?
Cube also.
4 cube. Understanding? So 4 cube minus if I'll do, I used to get this one. The same in 122 you do observe carefully. What is that?
5 cube.
Yes, this is 123. So now you check it. 123 is the power of what? 125. It is the power of 5.
Yes, sir.
minus-
5 cube.
Like that 6
5
cube.
cube minus 2.
216.
6 cube how much? 6 cube minus 2. 216. Correct or not? So like say 7 cube. How much is 7 cube?
7 cube minus 2.
43.
7 cube. 343 minus
2.
2. Yes or no? So always you observe. So every number the pattern
Sir,
is
then this 25 also, this 3 cube minus 2, sir.
understanding 6, 7. If you'll observe, they are following the natural numbers. So can I take n cube minus 2? Can I take n cube minus 2 as this one?
Your pattern is
Yes or no?
Yes.
The pattern following is n is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7.
25, sir.
But if you'll observe 25, 25 is not possible to write in the form of n cube minus 2. Is it yes or no?
Sir, 3 cube minus 2.
What?
3 cube. 3 cube is 27
Cube minus 2.
minus 2.
3 cube. Oh, correct.
Correct.
Yes. So, oh, that is.
Here, 120.
So then it is 122 is the wrong answer. So you can take it that.
120.
So please you remember here. This is you can take it. So here you can do it. Very good. So that is what you can follow. So 122 if you take it. So the correct answer is what?
120.
Correct. Odd one out is what? 122. So it is not
122.
following this one. So here n is equals to very good. This way I can write as it 2 cube.
3 cube
3
is
cube.
27.
3 cube minus 2 which will follow. So that is what the wrong answer. So what is the wrong answer here in this pattern?
Who said 120?
122 is the wrong answer. Correct or not? Yes or no? So here the pattern behind is n cube minus 2. n cube minus 2 means, so n is the natural number which is following 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But here it is not satisfying for 122. So that is why I can say it is the wrong answer. Do you understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So like that, write the next
sir.
question. Next question. Right. 1, 3, 7, 15. 1, 3, 7, 15. 1, 3, 7, 15. Second question. 1, 3, 7, 15. 31, 65, 127. 31,
30.
65, 137. So please find it. Add one again. 65, 127. Let me see who will find it. What is that? Anybody? Something it is behind the pattern you may observe here. 1, 3, 7, 15, 31, 65, 127. If you follow the pattern, you can understand it. Which is odd one?
See the numbers.
See the numbers, Ra. You can understand it. You can understand something. You can see 1 into 2 plus 1. If we'll make it, how much you used to get, Ra? 3. Is it yes or no? Please tell me. Like same way you can see 3 into 2 plus 1, which will give you 7. Like that you follow. That is what the pattern behind. It is double almost. See, double plus 1 is there. So how, sir? You can see. So 3 next becomes 7. Means what? Double plus 1. 7 become 15. Means what? Double plus 1.
Sir,
15
65 is
becomes.
the odd number.
That is.
65 is the odd number, sir.
Yes, sir. 31 number.
65 is the odd number.
Plus 1. 31 twos are how much? 31 twos are how much, Ra? 60. 62 plus 60. How much it is?
63, sir. 63, sir. 63.
Plus 1
62.
equals to 63. It is not 65. So that is why which is odd one here?
65 is
65 is the odd one. Now what is the pattern behind? What is the pattern behind here? Let me consider this number is understanding. This number is understanding x. So what is the following here? Let the number is x. So what will happen, Ra? Let the number is x. If you follow, what is the pattern behind here? X into 2 plus 1. Is it yes or no? X into 2 plus 1. So same way it is following. So 1 into 2 plus 1, which will give you 3. Same way next one what? 3 into 2 plus 1, which will give you what? 7. Correct or not, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the pattern behind here? What is the pattern behind? X into 2 plus 1.
6 into 2 plus 1.
The odd one is what? What is the odd one? 65.
65.
Able to understand it, na? Arvind, Karthikeyan, everyone. So that is what the question. Dileepan, are you there? Next question, Dileepan will answer. Let us see. So alphabets also 5 will come.
Sir,
Ra.
I cannot understand the question, sir.
This question nothing. The pattern is C. Pattern is following 1, 3, 7, 15, 31, 65, 127. So some number is odd number which is not following pattern, Padmavarshi.
wrong number.
So wrong number means it is not belongs to this series. That is what we should identify. Now you may observe here 1 become 3. Means in the sense of you see it almost double plus 1. Sir, how it is? Like next number you check it. 3 becomes 7. What is the possibility? Double plus 1. That's all. Correct or not, Padmavarshini?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
same way 7 become 15. What is the possibility? There is no kind of addition or subtraction. So 7 into 2 plus 1. Is it yes or no?
So if we do 31 into 2 plus 1, we should get 65, but we don't get it. So
15
25, yes,
into 2
sir.
plus 1, 31. But 31 into 2, 62 plus 1, 63 only. It is not following. But you check it. 63 if you check it. 63 into 2 plus 1, you will get it same thing, 120. 63 means 126 plus 1, which will give you 127. Correct or not? Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
That is what the pattern behind. Understand, Kevin? Dileepan? Now, next question, see who will answer. -1, comma, -1, comma, 2, comma, 2, comma, 5, 2, comma, 2, comma, 5, 7, 10, 14, 7, 10, 14, comma, 17, 23, 26. 17, 23, 26. This is the pattern. So now please identify the odd one. So I'm giving you the options also for this one. Understanding. So options are 17, 7, 23, 10. 17, 7, 23, 23 and D is 10. So please, which one is? Don't try to check it. Be very careful. Few times questions also may be wrong. For that, if you will attempt anything, you will get the mark benefited. So now you check the pattern.
bonus mark.
Bonus mark will be always there. This is actually bonus mark question, but you should find the pattern. Bonus. Tell me, Ra. What is the odd one out here? Anybody? X square plus 1. Oh, it is not given. It is not following the pattern. You check it once. X square plus 1. If you apply here 2 square plus 1, here itself 5 should come. Correct, Kevin? Yes or no, Kevin? Don't think the same previous thing. It is not following the same thing. Now you check it. 2 you can make it as a class. If you are not following that pattern, you can check it. 2 now you verify. 1 after 1 will come the same thing. Please all of you verify. 2 you can make it. Now you can verify. So now 2 become 5. What is the pattern, Ra? Plus 3. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Plus 3.
Plus 3. Next. 5
24.
Into
plus 5. Is it yes or no? 5 become 17. What is the pattern?
10 becomes 17 plus 7.
7 becomes
Plus 7.
What is the
Plus
pattern? 7. Now 17 become 26. What is the pattern?
Plus 11, sir.
9 or 7?
So we should get plus 11.
11. 11, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me. Nobody is saying it.
7 plus 9 is 26.
Array 17.
Sir,
17
but everything is correct only now,
only
sir.
correct. This is not
How,
7,
sir? 9.
17, 26. Now follow the pattern here. Now,
Prime numbers only now, sir. we are
okay.
using.
So 1 become 2. How much it is? Minus 1 become 2. Means in the sense of how much we have to add? Plus 3. Is it true or not?
True.
Speak, yaar.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Because minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Correct or not? Now 3 become 7. How much it is?
2 becomes 7 is
2 become 7.
5.
Speak. 2 become 7. How, Ra?
That's 5.
7. So now 7 become 14. How much we have to add?
Plus 7.
7.
So 14 become 23. How much it is? 14 become 23. 9. Is it yes or no?
9.
So it is following the pattern of 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So even bottom also it is following plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So there is no mistake in the question. Is it yes or no? All are correct pattern only. They are following the perfect pattern. So in this situation, you are not supposed to leave the question. If you find the options are wrong, understand? If there is no none option, suppose if I'll keep none, then what is the answer, Ra? What is the answer?
None of the options.
None is the answer. If none is not there, then you please mark something. Then they will add the bonus mark. Do you understanding, all of you?
Okay.
Definitely
Yes,
bonus
sir.
mark will add. Pattern should be fine. Mind should think same way. Kevin, don't think that same pattern we have to apply every time for every question. It will varies from question to question. Okay? Understand, Ra? Now, let us see who will save this question much faster. For example, let us take Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and Bangalore. So what is the odd one out?
Tamil Nadu, sir.
Chennai,
What is the odd one out?
Tamil Nadu, Bangalore.
Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and Bangalore. Which is odd one out?
Who said first?
Tamil Nadu, sir.
Tamil Nadu. Why?
Tamil Nadu. Because all are capitals.
Sir,
Capital.
all are capital, sir. All are capital.
Capital.
So all are capital cities. This is the only one state. Is it yes or no?
State. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Odd one out. Now, same way now, let us go for alphabets. Let me see how smart you are. Think. How many of you know 26 alphabets? Do you know 26 alphabets?
Yes, sir.
You people know 26 alphabets or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, let me see. Now who will say? First, write AD, comma, EG, comma, IJ, comma, IJ, comma, IJ, comma, IJ, comma, comma, IJ, comma, comma, QP, comma, UP. QP, comma, UP. Please find what is not following the pattern. Let me see who will find. Pattern should be followed. Let me find it. Find the pattern. Something is not following. You may understand. What?
The UP.
What?
UP. UP.
What is the pattern behind? What is the pattern behind? AD, EG, IJ, MM, QP, and UP. You check it alphabets. Alphabets A to Z.
Hey,
you
UP,
check it.
sir.
UP or QP?
UP.
When
UP.
check it now. Check the pattern.
Hey,
A
UP
become
only,
A
sir, I
become
got.
E. How much, Ra? A become E. How much?
A1, E5. Difference.
Are A1, right? A, B, C, D. You check it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
4 plus 4.
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Fastly you should write. Now you see. So A become what? A become E. How much it is increases? 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4. Is it yes or no?
4, sir.
4.
Yes.
Plus 4. Add it. Now, same way you check it. D become G. How much it is? D become G. How much it is? Plus 3. Correct or not?
Four.
So plus 2.
Plus
Yes, sir.
3. Correct or not? Same way you check it now. Next, E become
Plus 3.
E become I. E become
Plus
I.
4.
Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. How much it is?
Plus
Plus
4.
4.
Plus
Now, G become J.
E becomes J.
G become J.
Plus 3.
Plus
Plus
3.
3. So this is what the pattern I understood. Correct or not, Dilipan? Yes or no, Dilipan? Yes. Now, same way somewhere it is not following. Like that, you please kindly check it, all of you. So now, I if you'll add 4, what will come, Ra? I if you'll add 4 plus 4, it will come M. Correct or not? Now, same way, J if you'll add 3 also, it will come what? M only. So it is also correct. Next, M if you'll add 4, what will come? M if you'll add 4. M if you'll add 4, what will come, Ray? 1, 2, 3, 4. Q will come. Correct only. Next, M again if you'll add 4, 4 not 3. 3 if you'll add, what will come? Q will come. Is it yes or no?
Sir.
Now, last one you check it. Q if you'll add 4, what will happen? Q if you'll add 4, what it will come? Q after 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So UP only, sir.
V should come. V are you. V are you. You only correct.
UP, sir, answer.
3, 4, U. You correct. But P after 3. If you add plus 3, what should come? P after Q or S should come. But here P is only there. So that is why UP is the wrong answer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Madam will say some shortcut for this. You see.
What is the code for Tira? T20. Do you know T20 World Cup? T20 World Cup.
Yes, ma'am.
So T code is 20. T20 World Cup. Do you understand?
So alphabet T represents what? T represents 20. Do you understanding? Remembering numbers.
Yes.
Jyoti. E Jyoti. E J O T Y. This is like E Jyoti. E Jyoti. Shortcut. 5 table. 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 50. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 table. E Jyoti is 5 table.
So
Shortcut.
like
How
this,
to
you people
remember
can
the-
remember a few letters easily. Do you understanding? Because A, B, C, D, E, we know 5. Correct
Yes,
or
sir.
not? A, B, C, D, E, 5 you know. Last X, Y, Z also we know. 24, 25, 26.
Jyoti.
So middle if you remember few letters, so it is easy to find the pattern fastly. Because exam we don't have a time to write this full A, B, C, D. Do you understanding all of you? That is the reason.
Do you know movie name 7G Brindavan Colony?
7G Brundavan Colony. Tamil also it is very famous.
7G Brindavan
The
Colony.
rainbow colony, sir.
Do you know? I don't know that name.
Yes, ma'am.
7G. See,
G indicates what?
here. This is a 7. This is the
RL's 7G Brindavan colony. 7 indicates what? G
7G.
letter. Correct or not?
7G Brindavan colony.
Yes, sir.
7.
G is 7, like that.
Next. V for victory. Victory symbol. 2 fingers, correct? 2 fingers. Victory. Take photo. Shows. Victory. V for victory. It is 22. How many? 1, 2. 22. Understood? Next. R. R look like 1, 8. 18. Its code is 18. R code is 18.
This is for remembering few letters. Understand, that's all, nothing is there. Okay, if you want you can remember, but the exam you can write the ABCDs. It's not an issue, you can make it.
M is reverse of 13.
So yeah, suppose you say you take my name and my wife name M and Manikyam and Navya, so that I can take 13 and 14 is our numbers. Like that you can remember. Padmarshini, what is your number?
P.
P.
P is Padharela.
P means what? 16. 16 years girl.
16 years girl.
Now you are 15 years girl, correct? P per 16. Like that you can remember. Do you understanding, all of you?
Yes.
So this is
Yes, sir.
remember alphabets
L
easily.
like 12.
Do you understanding or not? Now,
Yes, sir.
write the next question.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the question which I will give you. Let me see who will identify fast. Now you know that numbers and coding. Write this question. Write all of you. Z8, Z8, W5, Z8, Z8, W5. Odd one out, you have to find it. W5, T2, T2. Just now madam said T2. So by this time you may understand it. So T indicates what? T indicates what? T20.
20, sir.
20. Yes.
20, sir.
Q8,
20.
Q8, N5K3, N5K3. So N5K3, which is odd one out. Please find it fastly. I won't give more than 10 seconds. Kevin, I will go up. Okay. Do it. Which is odd one out. If you apply this, madam, what he said, so many letters are there. You can easily identify. W, X, Y, Z. W is 23. You can understand. W is 23. W is 23. X, Y, Z. And Z is 26. You can understand it. What is the odd one out, please? K3.
T2, sir.
T2.
Sir, K3, sir. Sir, K3.
K3. How many of you are K3? K3 is the correct answer. How? Let us see.
K3.
Observe very carefully. Z8 they are saying. So Z8 means, observe very carefully. What is the number of Zedra alphabets? 26.
26.
So means in the sense
26.
2 plus 6, which is equals to 8. W what? W 23. Correct or not? Do you understand it? 2 plus 3, which is equals to 5. Understand, Padmavarshini? That is what I said. X, Y, W, X, Y, Z. 23, 24, 25, 26. Like the T20. T for what? T for what? 20. So 20 plus 0
20.
equals to 2. Now same way. Q. Q equals to what? Q equals to Padmavarshini. P equals to 16. Q equals to how much?
17.
2 is equal to 7.
Q equals to 17. Correct or not? Padmavarshini, P equals to 16.
1 plus 7.
17. So 1 plus 7, which is equals to what? Next, same way. Next, N equals to 5. Just now I said, mine is 13, my wife is 14. So N is equals to what? 14. So 1 plus 4, which is equals to what? How much?
5, sir.
5. But K3, what is the K? K value, how much are K coding? K coming before KLM. So M is 13, K is
11,
11.
sir. 11.
11, 12. So the
11.
it is not coming 3. K is 11.
1 plus 1.
So 1
2.
plus 1, which is equals to 2. It is not equals to 3. So that, what is the odd one out?
K3.
K3.
Is it
K3.
This is the one of the questions which used to come. Very easy. Correct or not? But people will think something is there. Very easy thing if you are following. Do you understand, Padmavarshini, now?
Yes, sir.
You are not supposed to do the mistake. That is what I will say. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, let me see who will find this question. 82 is to 9. Please write last question for today's session. 82 is to 9. 82 is to 9. Same way, here something should come. Here something should
This
come.
question is related
So
to
very,
analogy.
very important. This is called as analogy questions. I will give hundreds of questions for practice. Analogy questions. I will give the options now. So 82:9 it will become. So options you write, please. Fastly, mind should be like very sharp. 5:26, please write it. 5:26, B. 6:37, 6:37, next C. 35:6, 35:6, and D, last one. Fastly you have to find it. 26:5, 26:5. So let me see who will find fastly. So here see, elimination method also I can follow. You may answer here.
26:5,
Yeah.
sir.
Bigger
26:5.
number becomes smaller number, so that here you see smaller number, bigger number, smaller number, bigger number. So these two I can eliminate. It won't come answer. So C and D only
Sir,
option.
26:5, 26:5, sir.
You can find the pattern first. 82:9. What is the pattern behind it?
9 square plus 1.
What is the pattern behind
9
it?
and 81 plus 1, sir.
9
9
and
and 81
82.
plus 1.
9 square means
9 and
what?
81 plus 1.
81 plus 1. So,
81 plus 1.
so 9 square plus 1, which is equals to 82:9. Same way you please tell me. 26 here you see 35. There is no problem. 36 you say, suppose 6 square you can take. 6 square is how much, Ra?
36.
36 minus 1, sir. 36 minus 1.
It is not equal to
Minus
35. So this is wrong. But if you take 5, 5 square how much? 5 square. 5 square plus 1. 25 plus 1, which is equals to 26, which is equals to
26.
So what is the answer?
26:5, sir. Answer is 26:5.
5. Do you understanding all of you? That is. So
Sir, I
small.
cannot understand.
See, what Padmarshini?
Sir, how, sir, I cannot understand.
What?
Please teach again, sir.
Can I repeat once again?
Yes, sir.
Now you see Padmarshini. They are saying that 82 is understanding is equals to 9 something. Like same way, similar kind of pattern you have to follow in the given option. So they have given 4 options that 5:26, 6:37, 35:6, and 26:5. So now you can see here, bigger number is becoming smaller number. So that here, these first 2 options, smaller become bigger, so that I will easily eliminate these 2 options first itself. Now you see, remaining 2 options, which one is finding? First you have to find behind pattern behind this one. So you may observe here, 82. What is the possibility of 82, Padmarshini? 82 is what? 9 square plus 1. Correct or not, Padmarshini? 82 I can write as a 9 square plus 1, which is equals to 81 plus 1, which is equals to 82. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what? The same pattern I will apply here. So here you can check it. 35 it is coming. So 35 means how it is? It must come what? 6 square plus 1 should come, which is equals to 37. So it is not correct. So that is what I am eliminating this option. Now you can verify this one. It is coming what? 5 square plus 1, which is equals to what? 25 plus 1, which is equals to 26. That's all. So that is why option D is correct. Do you understanding? All of you?
Yes, sir.
This is
Okay,
analysis. Analysis also 5 questions will come. We have to solve it within fraction of seconds. That's all. Are you clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
That's all. This is all about the today's class. I will end with this. Thank you all. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.